can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love.
You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need. Kayla D.
Hey y'all, welcome back. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, we are going to be gluing down my wig from MyFirstWig. They're basically known for like their quality beginner friendly wigs, and yeah, so they did send me a unit. So because I do want to wear my wig for a longer period of time, I'm just going to go ahead and glue it down today. Let me just show you guys the wig. So it is a brown colored wig. The hairline looks very natural. This is what the inside of your unit looks like. It does have the elastic band on the inside as well. Also, they recently launched their lace glue as well. It is extreme hold, invisible, and waterproof. We are going to go ahead and test this today. That's why I already have my ball cap method done. I usually don't even like to lay down my wigs with glue. I prefer to just use the Gatsby Blast and Free Spray. But I do want to try out their glue and see what it's given. So yeah, this is the glue right here. We're just going to try it out today. So I'm just going to go ahead and try my wig to make sure that it's fitting right. Alright y'all, so the hairline on this unit is beautifully plucked. As you guys can see, it does come pre-plucked. The knots are bleached. Well, the lace color that I got in your unit is a light brown, so it pretty much like blends right in with my skin tone. I am gonna have to cut off more of the wig cap. So basically with their glue, it does say to apply 3 to 5 thin layers of glue above the hairline. Wait until the glue turns clear and tacky, then apply your lace onto the glue. I'm only going to apply 2 to 3 layers just because I only want my wig on for like 2 to 3 days and then I'm going to remove it. So I'm not going to apply all 5 layers. First layer of glue that I'm applying is just basically to keep down the edges of my lace cap. So the glue itself does dry really fast, so you do want to hold. Now I'm going to go in my 3rd layer, but I'm going to apply this one really thin and just spread it out. So this is how it should be looking once you're finished with drying the glue. Right now my glue is pretty tacky. I usually just take my nail and test it. So once your nail does stick in it and it feels tacky, then you can go ahead and lay down your lace into the glue. So I usually just pull forward my lace first. I don't really press it in. I pull it forward and make sure that it's well positioned. That way we're not missing any spots and all the areas are covered before I actually go ahead and press it in. So you just want to pull it forward. Do not press it in until you know you have your lace positioned properly. Alright, so now that everything looks good, then you can go ahead and press it into the glue. I'm going to take my mini scissors and we're just going to go ahead and cut off the excess lace and lay down the areas that was not laid down properly. I'm really liking your glue. Like, my wig is completely laid down. My eyebrows are so stiff. That is how much of a strong hold I'm getting from this glue. So like, I feel like I just got to a cocktail now, literally. So yeah, so far I'm really liking the glue. Definitely gives you a really strong hold. Mind you, I only applied 3 layers to this unit, and yeah, my wig is not going anywhere. She is completely laid. Again, they plucked this wig, they constructed this wig to perfection. It is such a gorgeous unit, you guys, and I highly recommend them. I definitely suggest you guys checking them out, especially if you're a wig beginner, you're new to this wig life. They have some great beginner friendly units, definitely easy to wear. The hairline, you guys, on this unit looks so natural. My wig definitely looks like she's coming straight up out of my scalp. The hair is super silky, super soft. Also, I did get this wig in a 20-inch. This color is a light brown. It is a silky texture, and the hair is just bomb. She is given straight scalp, y'all. Can y'all see that? So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning back in. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this hair, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, share, all that. I hate doing outros, you guys, but you get the point. Like, comment, share, all of that, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.